Hey peeps, welcome to another video. Today I'm announcing the second kbpatternswap Christmas edition. It's sign up time. So the whole premise behind this is basically it's like a secret Santa. So I'll be pairing everybody up, and once you have your partner you want to be able to stalk their style a little bit, have a look at the sort of things that they've been making, have a look at the patterns that they favour, and you want to be sending them a pattern that you think is going to suit them but they may not have necessarily tried up until this point. So for example, I was paired with the lovely Alex from Gingerhead & Co, and you will recognise that name from down in the comments, and also her amazing Instagram account. Alex makes a lot of knit fabrics. She makes loads and loads of absolutely gorgeous items, but she does, as I say, make a lot of knits. So she had given me a list of patterns that she would like to try, but the one that she told me that terrified her was the Kelly Anorak from Closet Case Patterns. So I bought her that pattern. So I sent that off to her with actually a small vodka that was made locally on the island. I also enclosed some fabric that was actually from me because Alex had spoilt me rotten for my birthday this year, so I wanted her to have a little something from me as well. And she's made that Kelly Anorak and it looks utterly awesome on her. And you know, I was like, I'm gonna make one too, we can make it together if you want. No, she sped ahead, she did it all by herself, and she didn't need my help whatsoever. I mean, I'd probably be ringing her or messaging her for like, Alex, how did this bit go together? There is a brilliant sew along for it, that sort of thing. But it was a challenge that was outside of her comfort zone, and she's got the most amazing anorak out of it. So that's the idea. You want to challenge your partner with something that they will love, but they might not necessarily have thought that they were either able to wear or able to make. So there are some rules. The first one is that you need to have a social media account accessible to the general public. Say for example Instagram or a blog or a YouTube channel. If you have a public Facebook account, that could work as well. And that is so that your partner can stalk your style, because they will need to have a look through the sort of things that you've been making and that you love, so they can get an idea of the type of patterns that they could send you. There is a spending limit, and it is £20. It's £20 because of import fees, and for example, somebody receiving something in the UK, you can receive something up to the value, I think, of about £19.50, and then over that you can be subject to import duties on that item. Whilst some people were incredibly generous, and for example Karen last year sent me way more than $20 worth of patterns, or £20 worth of patterns, way more, and I was really lucky I didn't have to pay any import fees on that. There are a few people that have been caught because their partner has overindulged, which is incredibly nice of them, but they ended up having to pay more than £20 to actually receive their parcel. And it was all sorted out, and it was you know, the lady gifted the recipient with a fabric voucher, or a gift voucher for a fabric store, so it was all sorted out. But that is the reason for the spending limit, is because of import fees around the world. The other side of it as well is that you don't want your parcel to be too big, because you have to accept, if you enter, you have to accept that you will be posting your parcel, or you could be posting your parcel worldwide, and that's the final rule. To break it down again, you get a partner, you stalk their style, you buy them a pattern, you then get them some like little goodies to make up the value to £20. You post your parcel and you get your parcel in return. So the reveal date is the 26th of December, because you need to have some self-restraint. I managed it, and not open your parcel until Christmas Day. This is the Christmas edition, it's a Christmas present. You need to not do that. I know some of you didn't manage it, and I thought my willpower was shocking, but I mean I have mum and dad holding me accountable, so you know, there is that. But yes, you get to open your parcel on Christmas Day, before if you want, but the reveal date for just your parcel is the 26th of December. You don't have to have made your item by the 26th of December, and especially if you're opening it on Christmas Day, that's going to be impossible, but you do need to reveal what you got from your partner on the 26th of December. And you can use the hashtag kbpatternswap. Now when you make your garment, you can then use the kbpatternswap hashtag as well, so that we can all have a look and see what everybody has been making. So you have until the 15th of November to email me your details. My email is this. I'll also include it in the description down below, along with all of the rules. You need to email me your full name, your full address. I'm also going to ask you to give your partner an idea of some patterns that you've had your eye on but you haven't bought because they're not easily accessible in your country. So for example, if you're in America, I know we have easy access to independent pattern companies, so you may wish to ask for something like from Tilly and the Buttons or Sew Over It or something, or Deer and Doe or something like that. And then vice versa, if you end up with a partner from America and you're in the UK, they have amazing pattern sales, like amazing. So you could give your partner a few ideas of patterns that you would like to possibly receive that you've either not been able to have access to or you've been a little bit scared to try, because the idea is to kind of push your partner outside their comfort zone. If you have any allergies, that's probably a good one to let me know as well, in case your partner does decide to buy you some like little local foodstuffs. So yeah, allergies, that would probably be good. So email me by the 15th of November. That will be the closing date for sign up for the pattern swap for this year. I want to know your full name, your full address, patterns that you'd like, and any allergies that you have. So please include all of that info into your email address. I know some of you guys last year just sent me messages going, yeah, I'd like to take part, and that was it. And it was like, I need more. I need more. On the 16th of November, I will be pairing everybody up, and then you can get stalking. And what I would suggest is that you stalk and then you buy and then you get your pattern set sent by the 8th of December. That, fingers crossed, should get everybody's parcel where it needs to be, except if you're Jojo, because Jojo's got impounded by the police as evidence and is still being held hostage. So, you know, nobody has control over that. But yes, if you get it sent by the 8th of December, it should go worldwide before Christmas. That's the plan. Sign up finishes on the 15th. I'll announce the partners on the 16th, and then you need to have your parcel sent by the 8th. So please be aware of all of those things. If any of those are not going to work for you, then don't sign up this year. I will be running another one for the spring summer next year. I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody gets for everybody else this year. It's really fun to look through the hashtag and see the types of things that have been swapped, and then to also see the different patterns that have been made. I'm really bad, I haven't made either of the ones that Alex sent me yet, the On-D sweater and the rodeo shirt from Decades of Style, but I'm getting there. I'm working up to it. I will. It will happen. Definitely. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!